Lori here with today's Thursday business tip. So I wanted to talk to you today about digital products. So one thing when you're first starting out your business, or even if you've been in business for a while, it's a really great idea to add in additional revenue sources as you go along. So one of the greatest things these days is digital products. So when I say digital products, I want to specify what I mean. So a digital product would be a video, so maybe a video tutorial. It could be a tutorial on making something. It could be a video tutorial on making something like a craft. It could be a video tutorial on anything, something that would help. Let's say that you know how to edit things in Photoshop and that you're really good at it. Well, guess what? You could do a tutorial on it. You can sell that. You can also do ebooks. Ebooks are great, and there are a lot of places that you can sell digital products. So let's talk about where you can sell them. You can sell them on Facebook. You can sell them on Amazon. You can sell them on Etsy, Shopify. So you can see there's a lot of different places that you can sell them. You can also, if you're not comfortable with trying to do things like that, you can also go out to websites such as Skillshare. So you can sell your courses on Skillshare, and the way these kind of work, it's like lynda.com, okay? So you put a course together, you put it on their platform, and the more people that watch it, the more you get paid. So they charge like a fee to the people to come and do training there, like a monthly training. So they have all kinds of different training. So generally speaking, there's training on pretty much anything. So you could sell it that way if you're not really comfortable trying to sell it yourself. But it's really a great way for you to monetize your business. So the way that you could do digital products really isn't difficult. So, if you're going to do an ebook, you can do it on a word processor right on your computer and turn it into a PDF, and then you upload it to your various platforms that you sell on, such as Shopify or Etsy. They all have the ability to upload digital products, and all you really do is make a listing, and then you just attach your digital product, and when someone purchases it, it gets downloaded directly to them. Now, different platforms are different. It might shoot out an email to them, or they may have to physically download it. So the best way to do that, if you have an ebook, of course, would be just to make it into a PDF and have the PDF attached. If you were going to do a video, there's a few different ways that you could do it. You could list it on Vimeo and then protect it with a password. So then you would just list the link and the password in your PDF document, letting people know how to access it. You can also do it for free on YouTube using the unlisted function. Now, of course, you always run a risk, no matter where you sell it, that someone is going to share that link. So just be aware that that does happen sometimes. However, the majority of people are not going to do that because they did pay for it. So it really cheapens it for themselves as well as everyone else if they pay for it and then share it. So the majority of people don't do that, but every once in a while something like that will happen. You just want to be really sure that you have it set up correctly before you release it as a product. And one thing I want you to keep in mind when you are making digital products. So you cannot take someone else's and just change a few words and sell it as your own. That would be a copyright violation. However, there are certain things that you can certainly sell. So if someone sold a tutorial on how to make a floral wreath and you wanted to make one on how to make a floral wreath, well, as long as you're not using exactly what was in that other person's, absolutely, you can do it. because you can't, first of all, you cannot copyright a method. So a method of doing something cannot be copyrighted. It has to be a tangible thing. Okay, and that's not really tangible. But you do want to be careful when you're doing things and keep copyright and trademark laws in mind when you are doing things. Okay, so I am working on training in my group right now on digital products and where to sell them, how to market them, how to make them. So if you are looking for business help, make sure you come and check out my group, Lori Jacobs Success Path. And we do training every month, and we do several calls a week just so I can help people succeed in their business, because I really want to see people succeed in their business like I have. I know I spent lots of time trying to figure out how I could work from home because I have a family and I wanted to be home with my family and help take care of my parents. And so I have spent a lot of time creating training to shorten all of that so that you don't have to spend all of the effort and money that I have spent learning everything I needed to know. So I hope you'll come and join us there. There will be a link in the description below. And have a wonderful and blessed day, and I will see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.